November 4th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Match the pumpkin terms to their correct definitions. All right, so we have product, ratio, and ratio comparison statement. All right, so what we're going to do is look at these definitions down here. So a comparison of two quantities. So that is going to actually be what a ratio is. A ratio is when you compare two quantities together. So when you compare them, two quantities, so a ratio. So when you compare things, you compare them. All right, now it's a statement that represents the meaning of a ratio. So it's not a product. Ratio comparison statement. Look, it has that word statement in there already for us. So that is going to be the ratio comparison statements. Woohoo! All right, now the answer to a multiplication problem, we know that is products. We know that that's the product, the answer to a multiplication problem. Awesome, awesome, and that is it for our vocabulary. Great job!